Hello, I'm Lara Catrin. I'm an actress and a presenter, and recently I was presenting a series called Caru Siopa on S4C, a series that emphasised the importance of buying second-hand, recycling and upcycling your clothes. So when I discovered a couple of weeks ago that there's something that I wear by now on a daily basis that I didn't have in my wardrobe, I decided to make one instead of buy one. What am I talking about? Masks. So instead of being selfish, I'm going to show you how to make a mask too. You will need an old piece of clothing, an old pillowcase, pipe cleaners, bias binding, pins, scissors, thread, tape measure, a piece of paper 10 inch by 7.5 inch, a piece of paper 7 inch by 5.5 inch, and an iron. Place the smallest piece of paper on top of the pillow and carefully cut around so you'll have two pieces of fabric exactly the same size. Then place the largest piece of paper on top of the old fabric and this will be the front of your mask. Take the smallest piece of fabric and fold one side over twice. Iron and sew in place. Do this with both pieces. Place both small pieces on top of the large piece, making sure the correct side is facing up, and sew in place. Now turn the sides out and iron. Before folding over again and ironing again. Place the pipe cleaner at the top of one seam and sew in place. This will allow for a nice and snug fit around your nose. This is the tricky part. Fold in 3 pleats and iron in place. The pleats should be facing downwards, so make sure to remember that the pipe cleaner is at the top of the mask. Trim the sides before folding each side in twice, iron and sew in place. Now take your bias binding, folding it over the mask and pin the centre of the binding to the centre of the mask. Sew all along the binding. And there we go, that's how you make a mask. Now that I've shown you how to make a mask, I want to see your creations. Send in your attempts. You might have a different way of making a mask to me, but I want to see them. And at the end, I will choose my favourite, and you will not only be crowned the Maskmeister General, but you will also win £50. So send them in, send a video of yourself making a mask. Teach me a different way of making a mask, but in Welsh. I know from experience that learning a new language is not always easy. I lived in France for a couple of years and I had to learn French. The French are not very accommodating. So I know I made a lot of mistakes, a lot of moments that I said really stupid stuff, but it doesn't matter. You will get there in the end. The second I had French down, my job opportunities doubled. I don't think you realise how important and amazing having a second or third language is until you have them. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it.